Dominic Francis Perrottet is an Australian politician, currently serving as the Treasurer of New South Wales. He has been the Deputy Leader of the New South Wales division of the Liberal Party since January 2017 and is a member of the New South Wales Legislative Assembly representing the seat of Epping since 2019. Previously, he represented Castle Hill from 2011 to 2015 and Hawkesbury from 2015 to 2019. Perrottet has previously served as the Minister for Industrial Relations in the First Berejiklian Ministry, the Minister for Finance, Services and Property in the Second Baird Ministry, the Minister for Finance and Services in the First Baird Ministry. Perrottet was born in 1982 and raised in West Pennant Hills, Sydney. He is the third eldest of 12 children. His father, John Perrottet, works for the World Bank as the Global Lead for Tourism at the International Finance Corporation in Washington, D.C. Perrottet was educated at private schools Redfield College in Dural and Oak Hill College in Castle Hill. Thank you for watching. Like and subscribe if you would like to view more of our videos. Have a nice day.